What's going on, guys? You guys are looking at the engine bay of a 2010 W204 Mercedes-Benz. W204 is the chassis code. And if you're watching this video, you probably already know that. So this is a C300 4MATIC. What happened was one day, went to go pull out of the driveway, and all the warning lights came up on the dash. It said EBC failure, brake failure, electronic stability control. So what I did was I went to the ABS module. So you'll see the ABS modules right here. Pop the hood, it's right behind the washer, windshield washer reservoir. What you do is you pull up on this cap, and you'll see this is the ABS module. So you can see mine looks like it's resealed. Why is that? And I'll tell you why. So when you get that module malfunction, that EBS malfunction braking system, something's going wrong internally with this part, this ABS module. It's apparently somewhat common of an issue. There's a bunch of information about it on the internet, but I'm going to tell you a way that you don't have to spend over $2,000–3,000 at the dealership. So you would think it would be as easy as, you know, just replacing this module, which you can go that route. They're about $800–900 online. Even more money if you go through the dealership. The caveat with buying a new one is you can't just pop this new piece in, because it needs to be coded to the car. So unless you have a very expensive coding module, or the dealer, or you want to go through the dealership, they're going to charge you over $1,000 just to code it. So there's another option. You can go to a website, I'll link it in the description below. It's called Repair Laboratory. What you do is you take out these little Torx bolts. There's 4 of them, 1, 2, and there's 2 underneath. You pull it out, send it over to Repair Laboratory. They're in California. They remanufacture it. It's like $250, and they send it back to you. You put it back in, problem solved. So you don't need to spend over $2,000–3,000 at the Mercedes dealership. Figured I'd shoot this video. Hopefully it helps somebody. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll catch you on the next one.